Well, you left me alone with my thoughts and we're going deeper once again. We have just entered full restoration territory. This is Rosie's Revival. Good afternoon. I've decided that we are going to take the cab off of the truck. I can fully treat the frame, and most of all, I just want to turn every bolt on this truck before it's done. First, let's start with the wind. Come over here. Now, I know I just said that I want to turn every bolt on here myself. I found this package on Marketplace for a scrapyard price, and it's kind of the unicorn of what I'm looking for. It's a Ford Explorer 8.8 axle, 31 spline. It already has a limited slip in it, new seals, new bearings. And the kicker is, it's already been cut down to the exact length I need for the Ranger. Let's get started on the front end. I am not procrastinating. I'm procrastinating. Let's go with the heater core hoses. Just been on there since I was born. Oh, okay. I feel like a mechanic now. This has got to be the fastest way to learn about what's in your truck. Oh my god, I got a magnet dish. Bought it for myself for my birthday. Alright, we're just getting started. More stuff to pull out of here, obviously. I like to take the first 20 minutes and just organize something in the shop. So this part annoys me. I ended up just painting the whole thing black. Paint's still a little bit wet, but this looks much better. Let's get on with the truck. Larry never got to the truck that day because his cleaning warm-up was 3.5 hours long. Let's see what happens the next day. Alright, as you can see, this side is looking good, it's looking clean, it's looking organized. This side, however, not so much. So I'm gonna start the day. No, you're gonna end up cleaning the whole barn and maybe get to the truck. And also your hoodie's too small. Spend a lot of time rearranging, cleaning, and organizing, and avoiding everything in here. So, back to labeling things. Maybe even a little video. Another day. We are getting close. All the electrical is disconnected and labeled. I think first thing is to pull the sound deadening up where the bolts are and get some bolt buster fluid on it so that can start sitting. Let's go. All right, let that soak. Let's go like this. There's a large possibility that I'm gonna be trying to lift this cab with just a few guys. So I'm gonna take the doors off. There's one clip for this speaker wire that is not letting it happen. And she's way in there. Oh my God. Is that the right way? Oh, that's why. Don't even pretend that you haven't done that before. There she is. All right, that's number 6. The only way to get at the steering column is to get this fender out. So I've disconnected the last of the wiring harness, and I think it's just a few bolts from underneath. Okay, that'll do it for tonight. Ben and Lud got me this shaker to remember them by. I wonder how they're doing right now.
Hi there, it's Ludi and Ben here. We're speaking from South California in a town called San Clemente. It's my birthday, yay! And yesterday we had some fun, drink way too much, and yeah, bit of hangover, but it's gonna be alright. We're gonna be going to Mexico and we'll see you there. Bye!
Good morning. 25 bucks. I'll be able to bring this thing back to life a bit. We got the last push today before we get the cab off the frame. I got the steering column to take care of, the brake lines, the fuel lines, and then the 6 bolts that actually hold the cab to the frame. I think we're in a good position. I got a couple hours and 2 feet in a heartbeat. Let's go. Oh yeah! Got it. Alright, let's not get too excited. Missed something to disconnect. What number were we at? 17, 21. Okay. Classic, forgot to turn the camera on, but I got it out. We're gonna disconnect these brake lines from the master cylinder. Okay, we'll let that drain. Master cylinder's all plugged up. That will do it for the first part of the cab removal. I'm gonna figure out if I'm gonna get an engine hoist and lift it up, or maybe rig something to the ceiling somehow. But stay tuned, because in the next episode, this cab is coming off. Thanks for hanging out.